Alright, Jocelyn and I are going to go down that hill on a sled.
Oh yeah, that's awesome!
Yeah, alright, come on.
I'm coming! You better hold it. Here we go.
Hold it.
Here we go, yo.
Hold it good, don't drop it.
Okay. I'm scared! But I'm not.
Face it down so we see what... I think he showed them all but everything but the sliding.